Welcome to our Intro to Pricing. One of the first decisions Amazon sellers need to make is how to price their products. All sellers' prices have to comply with Amazon's Marketplace Fair Pricing policy. In addition to meeting this basic requirement, it's important to price your products carefully because price is often at the top of customers' minds when they review offers in the Amazon store. The price that a customer first sees on a product detail page is called an offer price. This price doesn't include any shipping fee which appears at checkout alongside other order-related expenses, discounts, rebates, or promotions. If you offer free shipping, a customer sees that below the offer price. You enter an offer price when you first add a product to your inventory in Seller Central and can update that price later using multiple tools. You can use separate tools when you want to create or update shipping fees, promotions, or other expenses or discounts that impact the total price a customer sees at checkout. Before you start setting offer prices in Seller Central, you'll want to get familiar with a few key concepts we use to organize and support pricing in the Amazon store. The first concept is a competitive external price. By that, we mean the lowest price for an item from major retailers outside Amazon. Amazon regularly monitors and shares competitive external prices with sellers as a point of reference. For your own price to be considered competitive in the Amazon store, your standard item price plus shipping must be less than or equal to the competitive external price we share. We share competitive external prices because they allow Amazon sellers to understand how their prices compare to prices outside the Amazon store. Competitive external prices also inform another key concept we use to organize offers within the Amazon store, the featured offer. A product's featured offer is the prominent offer a customer often sees above all other offers on a product detail page. It includes Buy Now and Add to Cart buttons. To compete for the featured offer, you must set a competitive price for an item in new condition and have a professional selling account. If you, your product, and your price meet these requirements, your offer is put into a pool of other eligible offers, which we select from when choosing a featured offer for a customer. Sellers competing for the featured offer can increase their chances within this pool using several strategies. You can set prices lower than others within the pool and offer faster and free shipping and great customer service. Note that you may become ineligible for the featured offer based on account performance and other risk factors. This helps Amazon guard against abuse and ensure that customers have a great shopping experience. Competitive pricing and the featured offer can be important to success in the Amazon store. That's why we make it easy for you to compare your prices with competitive external prices and the featured offer. To view a list of your offers that aren't competitively priced or that are competitively priced but not featured, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Pricing, and click Pricing Health. Select Featured Offer, then scroll down to the Featured Offers section and click Ineligible or Eligible but not featured. In addition to competitive external prices and featured offers, another key pricing concept is the lowest price currently offered by a seller in the Amazon store. We share the current lowest Amazon price for each product with the sellers who list it to give them the opportunity to match or beat it. To view the lowest Amazon price for a product you sell, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Inventory, and click Manage Inventory. You'll see the featured offer for the product too, and can click View More to see the featured offer, competitive external price, and lowest Amazon price side by side. You help define the current lowest price in relation to your offers, setting rules to compare by item condition and fulfillment method. To view and manage your lowest price settings, click the Preferences button on the Manage Inventory page. Then scroll to the Low Price Comparison drop-down menus. We recommend reviewing and adjusting all your preferences to suit the needs of your business. For example, if you're a professional seller, consider selecting Business Price to show the Business Price column on the Manage Inventory page. Doing so allows you to set and update lower prices for business customers who often expect discounts for buying in bulk. When you're ready to set offer prices for your products, you can use two mechanisms: static prices and dynamic pricing rules. Let's review the options for static prices first. These are good options if you want to offer customers stable prices that only change when you change them. All sellers can set static prices one at a time when they add items to their inventory using the Add Products tool. At the point in the listing process when you're entering offer information, enter a standard price manually. You may also be able to click a link to match the current lowest price for the product in the Amazon store. To update static prices for your products one at a time, use the Manage Inventory page. You can enter a new price or use the drop-down menu at the end of a row to match the lowest price. You can also click Edit to review and update all your offer information. If you're a professional seller, you can also set static prices in bulk. You'll use the Add Products via Upload tool in Seller Central, which you can access by hovering over Catalog in the main menu, then clicking Add Products via Upload. After using the tool to select the types of products you want to sell, create an inventory file and enter a static price and other offer information in the rows for each of your products. Then upload your inventory file to add all your products and offers simultaneously. To update static prices in bulk, simply update the prices in your saved inventory file, then re-upload it. When you make bulk updates, consider removing rows for any products that you don't want updated, as this helps prevent errors and allows for faster processing. Now let's review the options for dynamic pricing rules. These are good options if you want to keep your prices competitive or featured offer eligible automatically, even while offers from other sellers change. All sellers with a professional selling account can create and apply a single pricing rule to one or more products or SKUs in their Amazon inventory. Start by hovering over Pricing in the main menu, then click Automate Pricing. You'll see 3 pricing rule types to choose from: catalog level, predefined, and customized. You can create and apply a catalog level rule to set dynamic business prices for all your products as a set percentage off your standard prices. For example, maybe you want each price you offer to Amazon Business customers to be 5% less than each standard price. By configuring and applying the catalog level pricing rule, you can keep these relative prices constant, even when your standard prices change. Note that a catalog level rule gets applied to each product in your inventory unless a product is already priced as a business-only offer or is assigned to a customized business pricing rule. When a catalog level rule is active, it gets applied to any new products you add to your inventory too. Professional sellers can also apply Amazon's predefined rule to one or more of their products. This pricing rule automatically matches your standard offer price plus shipping with the current featured offer for each product you select. Or, if prices from retailers external to Amazon are lower, the predefined rule matches to them instead. Finally, professional sellers can create and apply a variety of customized pricing rules. You can create a customized rule that sets your standard offer price plus shipping to match or be above or below either the featured offer or lowest price in the Amazon store. You can also create a customized rule that matches or caps your price with the lowest price from external retailers. If you want to decrease a price based on a sales volume target, you can create a customized rule that defines a time interval, threshold for units sold, or percent or amount off. For example, you might create a rule that lowers your price for a product by $10 if the number of units sold drops below 20 in a 14-day period. You can also create and apply 2 types of customized business pricing rules. A business featured offer rule sets your single unit business price and up to 5 quantity discount prices to match or be above or below the featured offer prices. And our business price and quantity discounts synchronization rule sets your single unit business price and up to 5 quantity discount prices as a percentage off your standard prices. Each time you use any pricing rule, you set a minimum price and have the option to set a maximum price for each product. This helps keep your sales within a range that's comfortable for your business. To update your pricing rules one at a time, simply return to the Automate Pricing tool. You can edit a parameter for a catalog or customized rule which adjusts the pricing rule itself. Or you can edit the SKUs that any pricing rule has been applied to. Finally, if you're a professional seller, you can use the Automate Pricing tool to apply pricing rules in bulk. After creating one or more pricing rules, click the button next to the rule, then click the Manage SKUs via File Upload button on the next page. You'll generate an inventory file similar to the one used for uploading static prices in bulk. Choose either a blank file or pre-populated file that contains all active products in your inventory not yet assigned to a pricing rule. Add or adjust product and offer information, including the name of the pricing rule you want to apply to each product. When you've completed your file, return to the Automate Pricing tool to upload it and complete the process. To update how pricing rules are applied in bulk, professional sellers can edit their inventory file and return to the Automate Pricing tool. They repeat the upload process with their refreshed file. This concludes our Intro to Pricing. To learn more about the featured offer or to get step-by-step instructions for the Automate Pricing tool, review the full list of modules in our Price Products course in Seller University. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store!